Hello everyone. In this video, you will learn how to write a diary as a child living in Islamic Spain. A diary is a personal story about your day. It includes what you did, what you saw, and how you felt. Let's look at some words you can use. Library, scholar, peaceful, science, knowledge, religion, learn, and city. Now, here are some writing tips. Use past tense. Write in first person. I did. I saw. I felt. Describe places, people, and feelings. Try to use at least 5 of the new words. Here is an example diary paragraph. Dear Diary. Today I went to the library with my father. I saw scholars reading books. Later, we visited a beautiful building. In the evening, we ate with our neighbors, Muslim and Christian families. We talked and laughed. Life here is peaceful and full of learning. Now it's your turn. Imagine your own day in Córdoba. And write your diary. Use past tense. And include vocabulary from the unit. Writing helps you improve your English and imagine history. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next lesson.